Good morning. I just turned UberEats and DoorDash on. I was not scheduled with DoorDash. I thought I was, but I wasn't. I was able to dash now and schedule all the way until I get my daughter from school. So who needs Top Dasher? Not me. It is the last day of the month, which it leads me to believe we will get good orders because the Top Dashers are trying to keep their acceptance rate high. And they're gonna take the crap. They're more willing to take the crap. So I'm starting off with a $6.50 order at McDonald's. Oh, it looks like it's out there.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Alright, we're on the way to the customer. It is 2.5 miles away. I seen a new update in Kim's video where if you're waiting 5 minutes at the restaurant, something will pop up on the app saying that we see you waited for 5 minutes. Do you know how long it would be? And there's like a questionnaire where you could pick the minutes. If you want to unassign the order, there'll be no penalty. So that's a new update I seen on Kim's channel, Kim's Side Money Plans, and I seen a new update today. When I got on it, the support screen, it just looks different, so it's probably more driver friendly. Last thing I want to do is have to call support. There's where you could chat with support and there's different things you could click on. I feel like new features like this is just a small upgrade to enhance the driver's experience. Make it easier on the driver, which is the goal, right? We need this app to be as easy as possible. We are driving 90% of the time. The driveway's so inclined that I almost like slid on the leaves. Not good. Okay, it came out to $6.50, a $4 tip. And as I was taking the picture, something popped up showing me the correct way to take a picture. Put it on the screen. We're just teaching dashers out here how to take pictures. All right, the McDonald's customer just messaged me saying, "You forgot my coffee." And I'm going to say, they gave me that one bag and said that was it, period. I'm not allowed to look inside the bags, period. You could get a refund in the app, period. Sorry. I'm just the middleman, y'all. I'm just the middleman. So I accepted a Dunkin' order. I was heading to the Dunkin' and then it was saying turn around because it was a different Dunkin', and I'm not gonna go back around. I only accepted it because it was on the way back to this area I want to come back to, but I'm not gonna go back to a different Dunkin'. So we're gonna get out of that order. I was just about to move. $10, 2.7 miles, Cracker Barrel right across the street. So I declined that, or I unassigned the Dunkin' order. And I sat for 10 minutes declining orders. I was just about to move because you don't want to be in one area for too long. I was getting orders, they just weren't good until now. So we're heading to Cracker Barrel. For Wendy? Right here, Wendy B. Have a good day. Alright, I just dropped it off. It was a business. It said to leave it at the front desk, and I walk in. There's a lot of little cubicle things. And I go to the first person who makes eye contact with me, and I said, I have a delivery. And she looks at the bag and she's like, what's the name? And I say her name, and she's like, oh, that's for me. The bag threw me off because my bag says DoorDash and she ordered on UberEats. So I literally just parked 687, 2.4 miles. Panda Express is right here in the plaza I'm sitting in. Alright, I didn't film it because I had to use the bathroom, and she put it out on the rack as soon as I walked in. Leave at door, 3rd floor. Alright, on the way down, I unpaused my dash. They instantly sent me this order, 1525. I know it says 8 miles. We're doing it. Could be more. It's only 5 items though, so I don't think it will be more. I had to park next door because I missed the turn-in, and instead of doing 2 more U-turns, I'm just gonna park next door. No, go back. It said to leave at a flagpole, but I seen the girl waving me down. It's at a school. I didn't want to show it. Complete delivery. The app has been very, very, very laggy on this order. I'm in the driver's ed car course. That came out to be $15.25 with an $11 tip. Sweet. 650, 2.5 miles right here at the McDonald's I came to, so let's go get it. Oh my god, are you still recording? I waited, I'm gonna say 17 minutes, and I didn't get anything popping up saying, oh, it looks like you waited a long time, like in Kim's video. Like, I don't have that kind of update here. I seen them put the iced coffee in there. I only waited longer. I mean, they're short staffed, but I only waited longer because this order is gonna be my last order. So I was like, let's just wait a little bit. I got a little bit of time till I got to get over to my side of town to get my kid from school. It's the only reason why I waited.